Kumusta ka guys, magandang hapon, or good evening from yet another video in Metro Manila. In today's video, we are planning to go to, I think, Manila's best theme park, which you can see behind me here, is called Star City. There's one issue though. As you can probably hear in the background, a huge storm has started brewing. There's huge thunder, there's terrible grey clouds. So we're gonna head in as quickly as we can, try our best to get on some roller coasters. I think there's some water slides as well, and maybe there's some arcade games as well. What's that? It's gonna be interesting to see if the rides are actually still open in this weather. There's not many people in the queue at the moment, so I don't know if that's a good or bad sign. Hello, mabuhay.
Hi.
One ticket for Star City?
$6.99, sir, for ride all you can.
Okay. Are the outside rides still open?
Yes, sir.
Because of the weather?
Not until it's rain.
Until it rains? Okay. Isa Paki.
One ticket, sir.
Yes, please, yeah. These are closed, are they?
Under maintenance.
Are these like the best rides?
Yes, sir.
The 3 best rides are closed. Okay, so what's left?
Okay, so you choose Throw Snow World in then.
Okay. How much is that? 859. Okay, well, I'll get that as well.
For 859, sir.
Yes, please.
301 pesos, sir, for your change.
Salamat. Anong pangalan mo?
Carmela, sir.
Carmela.
Yes, sir.
Salamat, Carmela. Salamat. Thank you. Have a good day. So apparently the 3 best rides are closed. So we've decided to buy a ticket to Snow World as well. Kamusta ka? Yes, please, yeah. Salamat, thank you. Following this sign here, it says rides this way. Whoa! We got a magician.
Take a look, watch. I have one deck of card. It's all different, right? Can you pick a card, sir? Just pick one card, but don't show to me. Just get one card.
Can I show him?
Yeah, show to me.
Okay.
Yeah.
This one.
Yeah.
Alright,
So just remember the card. Okay. Just in there. Just put it back anywhere.
Okay.
So for sure, I don't know what is your card. So just make it like this, sir. Then I'll just shuffle the card like this, sir. I'll divide the card into 3, like here. 1, 2, 3. Where do you want to see your card, sir? Just point 1. The
I
first.
want the card over
Yeah.
there. I want the card behind
No,
there.
only here.
That one.
That one. So do you remember your card? Is this your card?
No.
So does it mean your card? Hold it like that, sir. Just shake it. Because when you shake that card, it turn to your card. Yeah, it's very special card. Yes.
Man's got skills.
Open your hand, sir. So the top card, it's 8 of heart. Okay, your card is here. I'll just push down like that, sir. It's going to your hand. Take a look now. And you can see all the card, it's different. And you know this card, it's very special. Very, very special. The 10 of diamonds, sir, I just rub the card like that. Take a look what happened. Sir, you just try it.
What are you doing? I don't understand.
Yeah, it's a special card, sir. I have 7 of diamonds, sir. I just rub the card like that. See?
What? This is pretty impressive, I'm not gonna lie.
If you want to make different, it's easy. Just turn it back inside. All the card now, it's different, right?
Yeah.
But when I put this one here, can you tap it the card, sir? So when you tap it the card like that, take a look what happened.
Oh.
They say.
I don't understand. I'll just give you a.
Wow.
I'll give you a tip.
I will put here in my tip box, sir. Yeah, that's
There you
good,
go.
sir.
Anyway.
Yeah.
I'll give you a tip
Okay,
as well.
thank you, sir. I just appreciate it.
There you go, brother.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Have a-
Salamat. Oh, let's go for a handshake. Have a good day. That was crazy. If you've watched our previous videos, you'll know we both love Pokemon. Oh, man. We have to do this later. We need to get on the rides. Mabuhay! Kumusta ka? Trust our luck to come here when all the best rides are not on and they're closed, either for maintenance or because of the terrible storm. We're gonna go on the pirate ship. It seems like the best ride to go on at the moment. No worries, have a good day, brother. Salamat. Am I tall enough to ride? Just about. Mabuhay! Mabuhay! Kumusta? Very friendly people in this queue. Oh God. Oh God, I'll tell you what, if you're a fat person, you would have a hard time getting in this queue. It's not made for people that eat too much food, that's for sure. Salamat, kuya. Oh, blimey. Not a lot of room in here. That was pretty intense, I'm not gonna lie. Hello!
Hey, what's up?
What's your channel? Mark?
Journey of Josh.
Okay.
My name is Jomar.
Jomar.
Nice to meet you, I'm Josh.
Hi, God.
Hello, high five.
Welcome here.
High five.
Ingat! Ingat! Is Tagalog is taker.
So in the short, like 5 to 10 minutes we're on that ride, it is absolutely shucking it down with rain. So this ride is closed, that ride is closed. There's a roller coaster somewhere. There's a swingy pendulum thing over there that's closed as well. Okay, so there's a little bit of a queue this next ride here. As you can see, it goes all the way along there. And I'm assuming that's because this is the only roller coaster that's open at the moment. It's called the Wacky Worm. Abu hi. Abu hi. Peace. You too. Kumusta ka? Hey brother. Going right above our heads. Mate, you're going to be shit scared on this.
I'm not sure. Maybe I might be that. I'll be scared of that caterpillar. Have you seen it? Do you want to go at the front?
You go at the front. Oh God, Jesus.
This is so tight.
It is so tight in here. Are you ready to go on the scariest ride you've ever been on?
I am ready to be on the scariest ride I've ever been on in my entire life, and I'm psyched for it.
It's a slow start. About to go through the apple.
Apple time.
Here we go. Going up. Oh God.
Oh, it's so high! It's so high!
Here we go. Here we go. Salamat po. Salamat. I got a whole full body of Connor crushing me on that corner there. So here is what we could have had. The jungle splash. I would have definitely gone on that ride in the rain, to be honest, because you're going to get wet anyway. Now that we've been on the 2 rides that are actually open, I think all that's left to do really is maybe get a drink. We found a nice refreshing Zagu, irresistibly different. What have we got here? Have they got any fruit?
Strawberry melon.
Strawberry. What's 4 Seasons? What is 4 Seasons?
4 seasons.
Ah. 4
4 seasons.
Seasons?
Combination of mango, apple, and
Papaya. Is that what you said? Papaya?
papaya.
That's 3 seasons, isn't it? Where's the 4th season? Okay, salamat po. Say that again?
Guayabano.
Willabino.
Guayabano. Guayabano.
Guayabano.
Guayabano.
Well, I don't know what that is. What is that? What's Guayabano? I don't know what half of the things on the menu are, so I think I'm just going to go for strawberry. Is strawberry Paki?
Strawberry.
Ah, salamat.
Oh wait, what size?
Regular. There you go, Po. So over here, we've got the blending going on. Looks like they've got all sorts of powders in all of these little boxes here. I feel like I'm being very boring with my choice of flavour, but it's very hard for me to want a like chocolate or cookies or anything like that in this heat. I just want something refreshing. Salamat kuya. Oh, have a good day. So it's like some sort of like strawberry milkshake with boba at the bottom. Oh my god, that is sweet. That is so sweet. It tastes a lot different than I thought it would. It's very extremely sweet, and you can kind of like taste the chemicals in the powder, but it's refreshing nonetheless. Right, we're gonna head, I think here, we're heading to the snow world of Manila. I have no idea what to expect in this. I guess it's the one place that people can go in Manila to experience snow. Salamat, brother. Salamat kuya. Everybody's so friendly here.
Hi.
Hey. Oh, salamat.
Thank you so much.
Right.
Enjoy.
We somehow just skipped the queue, I think, because I don't know why. Mustaka! Can we go with no jacket?
You don't need.
No.
Put the inside.
We're hot.
We're so hot right now.
Just bring it inside in case you feel cold. Okay.
Okay.
Here's the one.
Salamat.
You're welcome.
Thank you. We're taking our coats in. I think it's very unlikely that we're going to need coats.
I'm a vlogger too.
You're a blogger too? Really? What do you make? What videos do you make?
You're fibbing. She's.
I don't think we're supposed to film in here, but I'm going to try and ask someone if we're allowed, because otherwise this was a complete waste of time. Up we go. Everybody's so happy and friendly in here. Oh, yeah, we are. Unfortunately, for some strange reason, you're not allowed to film in there. There was like this slide made of ice, and we basically just sat on our coats and went down super fast. At the bottom, there was like a huge pile of snow, and the guy wanted to take like 3 photos of us just sat in the snow, and both our feet are now freezing cold. Right, so I think to end off the video here, we're gonna try out probably one of these interesting looking kind of fairground games. We've got basketball on here, we've got throwing things at can, classic poker duck. But I think the one that we're looking at here is this shooting game. It's 3 tokens, so that's like 30 pesos.
Okay.
Pesos. Ambuhay, 3 tokens. Yes, Paki. Salamat. 3 tokens and our change. I think you've got to hit every single one on all the rows, which I think this guy is about to do. There we go, he's done it. Whee! Hey! Woo! K-Wild made that look far too easy, so I've got a lot of pressure now. You really look like you're in the bloody army or something. We gotta get ourselves a little prize. I'm hoping we can get one of those little dogs in there.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Ready for annihilation?
All of these years of Call of Duty better pay off.
That's true, actually, yeah.
So close.
So close, so close.
I ran out of bullets.
Connor is the winner. I am the winner.
That's
You love competition, and I win.
Oh, thank you, Salamat. I got the consolation prize. You want this as well? Yeah? Do you want it? Have a good day. Bye-bye. K Wild ended up beating me. He got the little dog and I got the consolation prize of the little pom-pom. That was a lot of fun. Unfortunately, the best rides were closed today. We came probably one of the worst possible times when there was a massive storm going on. So I guess that's partly our fault for not looking at the weather. But yeah, we're gonna end the video here. We had some fun, spent some money, and if you enjoyed the video, drop a like on it, hit subscribe, and click the bell button to keep up to date with the upcoming videos. Until next time guys, I'll see you tomorrow.